Hey guys, Michael Hoover with DRV Luxury Suites. I am down here in Atlanta at the Atlanta Expo Center with Southern RV. We are displaying two of our DRVs here at the show. We have a 41 RKDB, which is our 41-foot rear kitchen, bath and a half floor plan, as well as our LX455 12-foot garage, bath and a half toy hauler. If you're looking to take advantage of our show discounts, now is the time. Southern RV is really aggressive with their pricing, as well as a $5,000 rebate from DRV paid directly to the retail customer. Again, that's $5,000 sent from the factory to you, the retail customer. Come on down to the Atlanta Expo Center, check out the 41 RKDB, the LX455 with Southern RV.